Assalamu alaikum, welcome to Farm and Farm, and today in this video we will discuss about what is the GMP and CGMP. We will learn also the difference between GMP and CGMP. Before going into details of this video, every one of you should give the answer. Either the correct method to write CGMP is the C in small letters or C in capital letters. Do mention in the comment box before watching the complete video. So every one of you working in pharmaceutical industry hear the word GMP and CGMP thousand of times, but many of us are not still familiar with the true meaning of GMP. Mean we know the bookish definition of GMP and CGMP, but we do not know that what is the true meaning of GMP. So in this video we will learn the true meaning of GMP by discussing a practical example, and we will also discuss that what is the importance of GMP, why we need GMP, and what are the basic chapters of the GMP, and what is the difference between GMP and CGMP. So if you have not subscribed my channel, first of all press the subscribe button, and now let's start our video. First we will discuss its bookish definition. So GMP is good manufacturing practices, and it is defined as combination of procedures and documentation which confirms that all the products are always manufactured according to the quality standards. It was a bookish definition of GMP, but what does it mean in true sense? What is the GMP? As the name indicates, good manufacturing practices. So all the practices and procedures which we use in pharmaceutical industries in routine practice to ensure that our products are of good quality are known as GMP. To understand this one in easy way, let's suppose that you are working in a tablet manufacturing area, and before starting our work or before entering into the primary manufacturing area, we ensure that we have completely wear our secondary gowning. Mean we ensure that we are in a secondary gown and we are with proper PPEs, and our manufacturing area is cleaned, temperature and humidity is maintained, we have all the documents available, all the equipments are qualified. So all these procedures, documents and requirements are known as GMP. Mean we ensure that we are going to start the manufacturing of medicine and our all the practices are good. So all those practices which result in production of good quality product are known as GMP. It can be either related to the premises, equipment, personnel, everything which we do when we enter inside the manufacturing plant come under the action of GMP. Mean how we will enter in a room, how we will leave our premises, all these are defined by the GMP. So I hope now you are familiar that what is the core meaning of GMP. For more precise and easy understanding, when you conduct a training program of any operator or any qualified person, it is also the requirement of the GMP. Mean we should ensure that we are deploying a trained and qualified person to carry out the procedures and processes. So now let's go towards the importance of GMP. What is the importance of GMP? GMP define guidelines for all the department. Mean everyone working in pharmaceutical industry should follow the good manufacturing guidelines. Next one is that GMP define the working culture of the pharma. Mean how we will work or how a staff will work in any department of pharmaceutical industry is defined by the GMP. We do not or we cannot follow our own procedures. Mean we cannot enter into the primary manufacturing area in a casual dressing. We must have to dress up as per SOP defined by the GMP, mean we will have to wear the secondary gowning. Next one is that GMP define role and requirement of all the personals working in the pharmaceutical industries, mean every person should be right as per his qualification and need of the work, mean we cannot deploy any untrained person to carry out any critical process in the pharmaceutical industry. So the next one is that why GMP, mean why pharma companies get GMP certification. What is the purpose? The purpose is to provide or give assurance to consumers that all the products manufactured here, mean in a specific facility, are of high quality and fit for use without any harm. So it is the purpose of GMP to give the assurance to the consumers. Now we will discuss the GMP as per the routine practical example. Suppose that you are on a road and you want to eat burger. You have two options. One is to buy it from VIP burger shop and other from the local cart. If you want to get high quality of the burger, you will go toward the VIP burger shop because here a well trained staff is available. You have a proper sitting arrangements with air conditioning system. The hygienic level will be very high and burger will be prepared and served according to the defined procedures. As compared to the VIP burger shop on the local cart, there will be the lack of trained staff. Hygienic level will be not as high as VIP burger shop. There will be no proper sitting arrangement, no air conditioning system. So in the same manner, when we talk about the manufacturing of a product, the GMP defines certain limitations and guidelines, mean how we will manufacture the medicine. So when we have a GMP certification, it gives assurance that our all the procedures and processes are according to the recommended guidelines. So it was about the GMP. Now some common chapters of GMP are the pharmaceutical quality system, personnel, premises and equipment, documentation, production, quality control, and the complaints and product recall. Now we will discuss what is the CGMP. C mean current and CGMP mean current good manufacturing practices. It is same as GMP, but the difference is that in CGMP we use the latest or recently advanced available techniques. So the one question was that either C should be in small letters or in capital letters. Previously the C was written in small letters, but now good practice is to write the C capital for the CGMP. So what is the CGMP? The use of current or recent or most advanced techniques to carry out any process or procedure is known as CGMP or current good manufacturing practices. Mean the basic GMP remains same, but when we implement advancements in the GMP, it is known as CGMP. So basic concept of GMP remains same, but CGMP remains continuously changing. Mean when we apply advanced techniques, our GMP become the CGMP. To understand, let's have an example. The basic requirement of the weighing is to use a weighing balance. As per good manufacturing practices in the old ages, we were able to use only the physical weighing balance, but now we have many advanced type of the micro analytical weighing balance. So the use of physical balance was the GMP. Now with the passage of time and the use of recent advanced techniques, the use of advanced analytical weighing balance is the CGMP. So what is the difference between GMP and CGMP? The GMP is very conventional, as we discussed previously, it remains same, but the CGMP is the latest or advanced. Next one is that due to the conventional types, the cost of GMP implementation is low, but due to the advancements or advanced techniques, the cost for CGMP implementation is high. Next one is that GMP is adopted by large number of pharmaceutical industries and CGMP is adopted by the less number of pharmaceutical industries. So it was all about the GMP and CGMP. If you have any confusion, you can ask in the comment box, and if you want to read the article, the link is given in description. Visit my website pharmainform.com to read more interesting articles. Until the next video, Allah Hafiz.